Hello, this video is going to demonstrate how to replace one egg in a recipe with flaxseed. I use whole golden flaxseed. You can use any color flaxseed. I do grind it myself using a coffee grinder immediately before using, and I find it offers the best binding properties when you do it immediately rather than when it's been sitting and oxidizing. All you'll need is 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 2.5 tablespoons of water, a bowl, and your grinder. So I am just measuring 1 heaping tablespoon of flaxseed to replace 1 large egg into my coffee grinder, and then I will grind it into a fine powder. It takes maybe 10 seconds or so. And you can hear when it's all ground. And you can see the flaxseed has been totally pulverized. This is releasing a bunch of proteins that are going to kind of bind together after it combines with this water for a few minutes and sits. And it's going to lend that binding property to the recipe that the egg would lend, with less cholesterol, a lot of health promoting lignans and phytonutrients that just aren't found in eggs. So it's a nice upgrade if you have an egg allergy or looking to eat a more plant-based diet, but you still want to enjoy some baked goods once in a while. So I just add the flaxseed to the water and I mix it around until it's just evenly mixed. And you'll see at this point it's pretty liquidy. It kind of doesn't seem like it would replace an egg at all. We're gonna let the flax seeds work their magic for a few minutes. I'll be back in 5. Welcome back. It's been about 5 minutes and our flax egg has set nicely. Look, I can even flip it upside down and it stays. All the proteins have combined with the water to create this gelatinous, cohesive mix that offers the exact same binding properties as the proteins in an egg do. Again, for people who are trying to avoid cholesterol in their diet, reduce their risk for heart disease, eat a more plant-based diet. 1 egg replaced in any recipe. So try it out. Let me know how it goes for you.